Hello, all, and welcome once again to Sports Marvel. And as you all are aware, today is deadline day for FPL Game Week 21. And today we are going to answer the two very pertinent questions facing every fantasy manager: whom to replace Harry Kane with, and whom to captain in this game week. So, friends, Harry Kane suffered an ankle injury during the match against Liverpool and he was taken off at half time. It's a blow to Tottenham's title hopes and even Champions League qualification hopes, if you see, because Harry Kane could be out for at least some weeks as per Jose Mourinho's statement. And Harry Kane was part of a lot of fantasy teams as well, so here we are looking to see how we can replace Harry Kane in our FPL team. So first up, we are looking at Dominic Calvert-Lewin. Calvert-Lewin was away for a few matches due to injury, but now he's back, and even James Rodriguez and Lucas Digne are back in the Everton team. He is looking like a good prospect to replace Harry Kane in your fantasy league teams. So let's look at his statistics. Dominic Calvert-Lewin has played 17 matches, he scored 11 goals, and he's also had 25 shots on target and created 9 chances. He had a stellar beginning to the season, but he was off color in the last 4 to 5 matches. But the thing now in his favor is that James Rodriguez is beginning to get back into form, and also Lucas Digne has recovered and he'll be also creating a lot of chances for Calvert-Lewin to take advantage of. So friends, at £7.7, Calvert-Lewin looks like a decent investment, and we suggest you can have a look at him to replace Harry Kane. Moving ahead, Ollie Watkins. Ollie Watkins has had a stellar beginning in this season's fantasy league. He scored 8 goals, 2 assists. He's even taken 1 penalty, 22 shots on target and 24 chances created. One thing I'd like to mention here, friends, is that Aston Villa has not scored the amount of goals which is proportional to the number of chances they have created. So they've been a very attacking and a very superlative team in a lot of matches, but they haven't been able to score a lot of goals and capitalize on the chances they have created. Watkins seems like a decent pick given his price tag compared to Kane. And looking at Villa's fixtures, I believe that Ollie Watkins could be a very significant player in Villa's matches going forward. So we recommend also having a look at Ollie Watkins. Finally, friends, Michail Antonio. If any one of you have not picked him since the few matches he's been back, we strongly recommend picking Antonio because West Ham have been doing very well this season. They've been regularly in the top half, and whenever Antonio has played, they've looked like an altogether different team. 12 matches, 10 starts, 5 goals and assists, 13 shots on target, and also involvement in 11 chances created. Antonio will benefit from West Ham's resurgence and West Ham's form, and all fantasy managers who do not have him in their team right now have a chance to pick him. He comes at a decent price tag also and provides great value for your investment. So friends, these are our 3 suggestions for players to replace Harry Kane in this Game Week 21. Moving forward to the next question, which we all have every game week: whom to captain. So for this game week, we are focusing on 4 players: Bruno Fernandes, Sadio Mane, Heung-min Son, and Ilkay Gundogan. Straight away, let's have a look at Bruno Fernandes. His stats speak for him: 20 matches, 19 starts, 11 goals and 7 assists. That's Amazing stats. He's also been on penalties for Manchester United, 22 shots on target and 65 chances created. So Bruno Fernandes, although has not done really well in the recent few matches, but we believe he is due for a big haul. United are going to face Arsenal this game week, and their away record has been exemplary. Bruno Fernandes has been influential in United's immaculate away record, and we believe we could give him a chance with the captaincy armband for this week as well. Next up is Sadio Mane. Mane is starting to come back into form. Decent returns with 7 goals and 3 assists, justifying his hefty price tag. And in the last match also, Mane wreaked havoc and dismantled Tottenham's defense and led Liverpool to a well-deserved victory. With 24 shots on target and 37 chances created, we believe Sadio Mane is also a good captaincy choice, although he will be facing West Ham, who have a very resolute defense. But I think Liverpool will be able to break them down, and Mane can be a part of Liverpool scoring. Next up is Son Heung-min. Friends, as we discussed, Harry Kane is injured and could be out for at least 4 to 6 weeks, and this could mean that Son could have a more central role and also could play in the number 9 position for Tottenham, although he does become central even when Harry Kane is playing. The creativity we think is going to come from players like Lo Celso and Ndombele, and Son could benefit from a lot of attacking moves that Tottenham will be able to make. 19 matches, 19 starts, 12 goals and 6 assists. Phenomenal returns this time for Son Heung-min. He's also had 20 shots on target and created 42 chances. In the absence of Harry Kane, I think he will be the go-to man for Tottenham. And if goals are going to come, Son Heung-min will be having to play a major part in it. So you can always bank on Son Heung-min and consider him for his captaincy this week as well. Next up is Ilkay Gundogan. Well, he's one of the few midfielders who's nailed in Pep Guardiola's midfield. 14 matches played, 12 starts, 7 goals. Very good returns for somebody who's priced under £6. Also has taken 1 penalty, 10 shots on target and 21 chances created. He was taken off early in the last match for Manchester City, which is a sign that Pep Guardiola will also be starting him this weekend as well. So Ilkay Gundogan also deserves a look in from your side as a captaincy choice for this game week. If you also think that City will be able to maintain a clean sheet, you can also try for Joao Cancelo. Finally friends, that's our team for game week 21. We've made 2 transfers to our team. Harry Kane obviously is injured, and we've transferred in Dominic Calvert-Lewin. Also, we've brought in Joao Cancelo. That's due to our belief that City will be able to maintain a clean sheet against Sheffield United, although they did very well against Manchester United last time, but we believe that City will be able to keep them out. So Cancelo also could provide you attacking returns along with a clean sheet. So we've gone in for 2 transfers. We've taken a 4-point hit, but that's our team as of now. Martinez in goal, Stones and Cancelo, along with Aaron Cresswell at the back. Son, Grealish, Bruno Fernandes, Marcus Rashford and Ilkay Gundogan in the midfield, along with Calvert-Lewin and Patrick Bamford leading the line. We have given the captaincy armband to Bruno Fernandes considering his phenomenal away record. So friends, that's our team and we wish you all the best for your Fantasy League performance for Game Week 21. Please subscribe to our channel because it motivates us to bring this content for our viewers. Thanks for watching and all the best for Game Week 21.